Hey everyone, there is a simple way to schedule client calls. Today we're comparing two popular tools, Calendly and TidyCal. Let's break it down and find out which one's best for you. First, Calendly. It's a well-known scheduling tool that's super easy to use. You create a booking link, share it with clients, and they pick a time that works. It syncs with your calendar to avoid double bookings, integrates with Zoom and Google Meet, and offers a free plan for basic needs. Paid plans start at $12 a month per user and add features like team scheduling and CRM integrations. It's great for businesses of all sizes, but the cost can add up for longer terms. Now TidyCal. This tool is built for simplicity and affordability. Like Calendly, it lets you share a booking link for clients to schedule calls. It syncs with up to 10 calendars, integrates with Zoom and Google Meet, and has a free plan. The big difference is TidyCal offers a lifetime deal for just $39, no monthly fees. It's perfect for solopreneurs or small teams, but it lacks some advanced team features. So which is better? If you're a solopreneur or small business on a budget, TidyCal's lifetime deal and simple setup make it a fantastic choice. But if you run a larger team or need advanced features like CRM integrations or custom branding, Calendly's robust options are worth the cost. That's it. Pick TidyCal for affordability or Calendly for power. Let us know which one you use in the comments. Like and subscribe for more videos.